Hello guys, and welcome to Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be removing the battery from this printer, because before we proceed any further it is a good idea to disconnect the battery. Okay guys, let's go ahead and actually remove this battery. So I'm going to start off by removing this plastic piece. So I could already tell these bolts, maybe they're original, but this is not what Mercedes uses. They use Torx everywhere, but not in this one. So we're gonna go ahead and actually remove this piece. Put it on the shelf, make sure we don't lose it. So the very next thing you want to do is remove this rubber mat here. Next, you're gonna need to open up this thing, and let's see if I have the correct sockets here. That's correct. What? Can't be good. So weird. So let's see if these are the same. Nope, they're not. That's a little smaller. So I'm gonna swap these things out. Well, so for these bolts, I'm gonna throw them inside of here, and this metal thing, I'm gonna leave it right here. So this actually looks real nice. I could tell it's powering some stuff in the back. This is aftermarket. So we're gonna remove this, and now it's time for us to disconnect the battery. Well, I'm not gonna pull this battery out, so we could just leave this in here. So the only thing we're gonna do is disconnect that one bolt right there. So it looks like it's a 11, but it should be a 10. So we're gonna take a 10 with us, a 10, and then we're gonna take an 11 with us. So it's a 10. I don't know why it looks a little bigger from here. And that's actually a Mercedes battery. Wow. You don't see that every day. Okay. All right. So, battery is done. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for other episodes where we're going to be replacing the oil cooler seals because they have leaked. Not only that, we're going to replace intake manifold and bunch of seals and stuff like that. So we want to make this van run, because right now it doesn't go no more than 30 miles an hour. And in this state, it's not going anywhere. So it's got a major leak as well. So guys, we're going to fix it. If you want to stay tuned for other episodes, please do. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.